Hi guys, happy Friday. Can you believe it's Friday? And can you believe Thanksgiving was yesterday? And by the way, happy Thanksgiving. I know it's late and I should have had a video for you guys on Wednesday, but my daughter came home from college and we were all talking and having such a great time, and I was feeling so guilty not doing a video, but at the same time I was being pulled on like family time. So I know you guys will understand, but in any case, I'm sorry. I really wanted to have a video for you. So tell me, let's catch up. How was Thanksgiving? What was your favorite thing yesterday to eat? Mine was everything, let's be honest. Yours truly, cooked the whole dinner. It was delish. And I have to tell you, when people stay out of my kitchen, I can focus and my recipes turn out perfect. And yesterday was one of those days. It couldn't have been better. And I have to tell you, it was so nice to have the whole family together last night. We did a beautiful centerpiece and tablescape, and we had candles and twinkle lights, and we put Christmas music on. We did, and we chatted and we laughed, and it was wonderful. You know, when you have kids that get older, they're always coming and going, and it's very rare that everyone is together at the same time. So it was wonderful. I did this turkey that turned out amazing. You take butter and you get it real nice and softened, and you add your herbs and your seasonings, and then you take it and you put it all under the skin. And then when you're done, you add more butter to the top and then season it really good. And then I'm telling you, it was the most juicy, most flavorful turkey ever. And then I did an Italian dressing, which was amazing. It's with, I know it sounds weird, but it was so good. I used Pepperidge Farm Italian, cornbread, and cubed mixture. But then I sauteed onions and celery, black olives. I know that sounds weird. Then once I got it all tender, then I added my chicken broth, some more butter, and spinach. You throw that all in, and then once you get that cooked down a little bit, then you throw in all your stuffing mix, add tons of Parmesan cheese. Oh my gosh. Let me tell you, it is the best stuffing on the planet. And then when you're done, you drizzle even more butter, and then you bake it. It is amazing, amazing. I did a sweet potato casserole with marshmallows on the top. I did our classic orange fluff. Some people call it fruit salad, but it's Cool Whip with mandarin oranges, orange jello mix, pineapple, coconut, and you mix it all together. So good. I did these fabulous mashed potatoes where you add half and half, cream cheese, butter, sour cream. I mean, hello. We're talking not figure flattering at all, but hey, it's Thanksgiving, you know? And you whip it all up together. So good, so good. And then what else did we have? Well, classic green bean casserole. That was amazing. Cranberry sauce. I know I'm probably forgetting something, but it was so good. And the best part is today. The best part's today because you get yourself some sourdough bread, you toast it up, you do a thin layer of mayo if you like mayo, then you do your cranberry sauce, stuffing, turkey, a little bit of gravy. What else? You could throw on all the leftovers on the sandwich, slice it in half, and you've got Thanksgiving dinner in a sandwich. And after today's over, the fun ends, and it's D-Day. Not looking forward to that, but hey, gotta do it. Of course, every day is D-Day to me. I'm gonna start my diet tomorrow. Tomorrow. Do you hear it echoing? Tomorrow. But I gotta do it. Got to get back on the bandwagon. So before I get into today's video, I would like to remind you guys that today is Black Friday. And with all the shortages we're having, I have been sort of compiling items I found on Amazon with prices slashed, and I'm linking them below. So if you're home and you're bored and you're looking for Christmas gifts or maybe a special gift for yourself, look in my Black Friday deals link below, and you may just find something for the grandkids, for yourself, maybe something you've been wanting a while, and it just so happens it's on sale. I recently was on Amazon and I saw that they had like toys, throwback toys. So I saw Speak and Spell, Simon Says, Lincoln Logs, Candyland, all those toys from back in my day that were real popular, and I just got a kick out of looking at them. So check that out. So here is a quick sneak peek of the family room. We've got 2 trees here and 2 trees there. And let me tell you, last night while we were watching a movie, it was so cozy. I cannot wait to do the home tour at night because it is so cozy. If you guys are looking for a cute movie, last night we watched a movie off of Netflix. It was called Enola Holmes. We really enjoyed it. We were all full with our Thanksgiving meals, and we snuggled up on the sofas with, you know, our warm, cozy blankets, and really enjoyed that movie. So highly recommend it. Now I'm going to show you a little area I did over here adjacent to the family room. I did a video on it. I was so unhappy with it, and so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to show you guys. It's simple, it's cute, but it's festive. And I'm hoping it may give you guys some ideas if you're into the throes of Christmas decorating. This may give you some ideas. So behind me, you guys may remember that I had my modern farmhouse bookshelf unit right here that I found on Amazon. And I decided for Christmas I wanted something a little more traditional. So I moved the shelf into the master bedroom, and then I brought this furniture piece out. Love that piece. And I did a little video, so maybe I'll throw in some snippets of how I started with this, and then we'll come back. By the way, I found this beautiful cabinet on Amazon. I absolutely love the look of it. And I found this mirror at a consignment store, and what I liked about it was the frame. I have some twinkle lights, and I want to zigzag these in a Christmas wreath. And then you'll see what I do next. I've got this wreath. I've taken the lights and I put them up there because what I'm going to do is hang the wreath on this arched wall piece. I have a thumbtack right there, and that's how I will be hanging my wreath. But I want to have the sparkle of Christmas. Okay, so I have placed my arched wall piece right in front of my mirror, and I'm gonna hang the wreath and then zigzag the lights. So what I did was I took the lights and I placed them behind the mirror, and then I pulled them over here so they'll be completely hidden. And now I can just zigzag these through the wreath. And that's what it looks like. Super cute. Now, because we have lots of buffalo check going on, let's add some over here. But I'm gonna keep this rather simple. I was gonna put some garland, and I've decided against it because I do have so many lights going on in the house. I have these really cute, you know, buffalo check Christmas trees, and I thought I would scatter 2 there and 2 over here, and then fill in. Next, I have this sign that says joy, and I'm going to place it right there in the middle. have these two beautiful gold reindeer. I'm gonna put one there and one there. And that's what it looks like. So with this look, you could go all out or just keep it simple like I did. And the reason I kept it simple is because I have a lot of lights and stuff going on in here, and you just don't want it to look like a disco party, you know what I mean? But you get the festive lights from the wreath. And I was going to put some lights in that ladder in the pine garland, but I thought, nah, I don't know, I may still do it. Maybe fairy lights. Maybe I'll do that next week. But it's simple, it's cute. I might change that joy sign out for a bigger one that says "'Twas the night before Christmas." So that may change, but I think it's really cute. Now I'm out on the front porch and I want to get your opinion on something because I've been toying with this all week. I did a garland around my front door and my daughter's like, it needs something. You need to add some like ribbon and ornaments. But on the other hand, I'm like, no, I like the simplicity of these big lights and the fact that if I threw ribbon and ornaments and all that stuff on the top, it would block the lights at night. So I kind of like the simplicity of just having the lights as is. I don't know. And here's another sneak peek. We've got a lit wreath, a present. We've got the lantern on the front porch. More on this next week, but I just had to show you. Also, I could add a big bow to my big red berry wreath, but I don't know. I just like it simple because I have so much going on in the inside. I kind of kept it simple but festive on this front porch. I also brought a friend out here, Mr. Nutcracker. And yeah, you'll see him next week. He's awfully cute. Walmart. Well, guys, like I said, my daughter is here just this weekend and then she's off to school. So really want to hang on to all this family time while I can. So I hope you guys understand, but I will be back next week with lots of decorating and I'm going to try to get more than 2 videos out. So stay tuned. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And again, if you're looking for any Black Friday deals, be sure to check my link down below. I'll be adding stuff the next 2 days. So keep checking back. You may just find something special you like. All right, guys, I will see you next week. Mwah! Love you guys.